For the price of just a cup of coffee, you can help save a putter. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, I've got my putter. This is a bullet putter. It's a cheap putter, but putters like this, when they go in the golf bag, start banging around with the other clubs. Sometimes they don't get along. Sometimes the shafts start smashing up against each other, and this beautiful painted finish will get worn away. And you don't want that to happen. So what can you do? Well, you can buy a putter cover, but those covers can be pretty expensive. I've shown you some of the covers on this channel before, and I've paid a pretty penny for some of those. You can get them in your favorite NFL or collegiate team, but I wanted to check out a basic putter cover, and this one is super cheap, under $8. I think it was like $7.99. You can see here, it says it's guaranteed to fit. I'm not sure how they can say that, but this is a little putter boot, and it's for blade style putter. Obviously, the mallet style putters won't be compatible, but you can see stealthclubcovers.com is where you can get it. I picked this one up on Amazon. It does come in a few different colors, but I just went plain black, and kind of looks like a little booty. That's for sure. I'm not sure what this material is, but it kind of feels like neoprene, but it has some ribs on it. You can definitely see the texture as opposed to that flat neoprene texture, which I'm more used to. There's a slightly elastic opening around the boot. You do have a little tab right there. And I want to see if I can get this putter in there. Now, this blade style putter is actually a little bit larger than most. I think it's a little bit wider, as well as maybe just a smidge longer than your traditional ones. But if I hold this up here, it looks like it is going to be pretty close. Now, if I put the toe in there like that, let's see, I can grab this tab, and can I get the putter all the way in? Boom! Look at that. No problem. And that is nicely protected all the way around. You can see that like that. And the thing that I actually really like about this, as opposed to some of the really big putter covers, is you pull your putter out of the bag, and then you take the cover off, and what do you do with the cover? For me, I usually like put it in my back pocket or in my pocket, and the smaller that this cover is, the less interference I'm gonna have when I am actually putting. So the fact that it's so small, so easy to put on, it's so unobtrusive, and my favorite part, so cheap, makes it a really intriguing little putter cover. So if you want to pick up this stealth cover, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.